I have knowledge, I have skills, and I have a great job. And now I'm a proud landowner with a Mesocore home crafted for me today, expandable for tomorrow.
With Mesocore, a new expandable home can start around $200,000.
Look at this well-manicured home. This beautiful inviting entry deck that's perfectly trimmed and well painted. This kitchen is so beautiful and modern. Look at this induction cooktop and this microwave convection oven. An integrated dishwasher drawer, matching integrated cabinetry, the stainless steel sink. Everything is so beautifully compacted and integrated. Space is so peaceful and Zen-like. Between the comfortable love seat sofa and these gorgeous shiplap walls, this is the perfect place to host your friends and family day in and day out. A queen-size bed, very nice. There's so much space to get dressed in. Look at this full-size closet and this gorgeous built-in cabinetry. And I love this frosted glass door that lets so much natural light into the bathroom. With an oversized shower, combination washer dryer, a linen closet, and a nice ceramic sink. This is it.
The core home is designed to grow with you. With floor plans from 1 to 5 bedrooms and 400 to 2,000 square feet, Mesocore expands to meet your needs. Choose models with 2-car garages, complete solar solutions, or rentable accessory dwelling units, all in classic or contemporary designs. Easily financed with a conventional mortgage, every model meets the most stringent Florida building codes and installs on a permanent foundation. Mesocore is a family-owned company. Every home is manufactured right here in Florida with high-volume modular construction that ensures quality and affordability. Inside a super strong steel chassis, the team pre-builds the kitchen, bathroom, electrical, and plumbing systems with ready-to-connect components that streamline on-site construction and can reduce installation time to as little as 4 weeks. Explore your path to homeownership at mesocore.com. Purchase now, expand later, grow well.